Hello, today we will discuss HNGU Hemchandracharya North Gujarat University syllabus for Pedagogy of English A. The syllabus is for the semester 1 and the course code is EDCP 1207.03. The paper for the external examination for these paper, Pedagogy of English, that is a 35 marks, and it consists of internal of 15 marks engagement with the field. Let's discuss, students, why these people we have to study for the English language student. What are the objectives? The objectives are the student teacher will able to consolidate core content of the English language, to acquaint the student teacher with the genesis of English language teaching in Indian subcontinent, as well as importance of English in a global, local, national and global perspectives. Then another objective is that to understand the nature of English language in social, cultural and psychological perspectives. Then identify the techniques, methods and approaches and materials of teaching English at various levels in the Indian context. The next objective is the learn and master 4 skills LSRW to integrate in classroom practices. Another objective is that to learn and adapt the study skills during the teaching learning process. So what is in unit number 1? That unit number 1, that is the fundamental of English, that carries the 15 marks. Unit number 1, that also carries A and B portion, that is the A is a textual grammar points from standard 6 to 10, and B consists of familiarity with the textual materials, language material from standard 6 to 10th, lesson from text standard 10th, prose lesson and poetry, poems from standard 10th. Then engagement with the field. What are the engagement? What are the that you have to do the in practical work or for the submission work during the semester 1? That is, conduct a critical study of content and different activities incorporated in the textbook, research and book review. The engagement of the field is related to research and book review. Then visit a school library and prepare a report regarding to the list of the books, categories of the books as per their library forms, how many are dramas, how many are novels, tragedies, comedy, etc. that you have to study on the basis of the library study. Then conduct a survey of 5 schools with reference to the materials other than the textbook used in classroom. It is also based on the research. The engagement with the field is based on the research activities. Collect 10 examples of grammar in the context from English textbooks of class 5th to 8th and have a group discussion and prepare a summary of discussion. Then in unit number 1, unit number 2, that consists of three parts, that is A, B and C. The unit number 2, the title is English Language, Historical and Psychological Perspective. It consists of 20 marks. It consists of 20 marks. Then in unit number 2A, Historical Perspective, the status of English, national and global context, position of English language in India, that you have to study Article 343 and 351. Policy of Action 1992, National Curriculum Framework 2005, and what according to the language education, according to the National Curriculum Framework 2005, that we have to study in this unit, in this point. Then in unit number 2B, the psychological perspectives, the principles of English language teaching, aims and objectives of teaching English primary and secondary school, Bloom's taxonomy and revised Bloom's taxonomy, Indian thoughts of language learning, Panini, Kamta, Prasad. Then theories of language learning, that is Chomsky and Kashen, that you have to study in this unit. Then unit number 2C, the acquisition of the skills, methods and approaches. Languages skill, listening and speaking, sub skill of listening, task, materials and resources for the developing the listening and speaking skill, storytelling, dialogue, situational conversation, role play, simulation, speech, games and context, language laboratory, pictures. Then reading, sub skill of reading, importance of understanding the development of reading skills, reading aloud, silent reading, extensive and intensive reading. Study the skills including using the thesaurus, dictionary, encyclopedia, etc. Then writing skills, stages of writing, process of writing, formal and informal writing such as a poetry, short story, letter, diary, notices, articles, reports, dialogue, speech, advertisement, etc. that you have to study in these writing skills. Reference skills, study skills, higher order skills, methods and approaches, direct method, bilingual method, structural approach, communicative approach, thematic approach, interdisciplinary that these are thematic approach, that we have to look as an interdisciplinary approaches. Then lesson planning, scope and need, structure of lesson plan, its importance, objectives, its part and rationale. Planning lesson for the secondary school, prose, poetry, non-detailed, composition lesson plans. Models of teachings, concept attainment model, advanced organizer model and inquiry model. These are the points that included in unit number 2. Now, what are the engagement of the engagement with the field activity? Search information about Indian and foreign linguistic and prepare a project work. The activity is based on the project work. Then arrange a debate on should English be a medium of instruction at a school level, at school or at college. That arrange a debate. The activity assigned by debate. Observe a 2 periods of any English teacher in a school and critically analyzed the techniques and methods she used during the classroom interaction. It is based on the assignment is based on observation skill. Then prepare a note on a different strategies that you use while obtaining a storing information during the classroom teaching as well as learning The assignment is based on the research work. Write a brief review on constructive approach with reference to English language acquisition and learning as a foreign language, the based on library work. Talk to the students and find out the different languages that they speak. Prepare a plan to use a multilingualism as a strategy in the English classroom. The assignment is based on community based activity. Then prepare activities for listening, speaking, reading, and writing. It is based on library as well as the laboratory work. Prepare a 3 activities to develop the reading skill of class 6 students. The assignment is based on the library and laboratory work. So this is a syllabus for the semester 1 for pedagogy of English, that for the 35 plus 15 marks is equal to 50 marks, that the paper of 35 marks will consist of external examination, and 15 marks carries for the internal assessment. The 15 marks internal assessment on based on what your teacher is assigning you, the different activities, and by submitting these activities that